Apaye. Mumra. Mumra. Otumfo arade nyako bontero kon kwame yetero onsu ne ma onsu asase ya mpane mo asase ya odi mu sama dwene de de betadwie omoso ndi aso modo so nti yitwe mu ndi ba ko ba na so pro ba na ko mi na o konta no pro pata na su tano akole di won sabe ko mi asuje bi asubwa fo aso before mi na afi ti on fo akena to mi na momra ye na no ma sama fo mi na momra mo mo na no ndi
Yeah, Santa.
yeah
Alexander.
yeah
Chinese garden.
yeah 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 yeah
Queen Zeta.
yeah
Queen Anne.
yeah that's a shit
Kenyatta.
yeah
Malcolm X.
yeah you mun na mumra
Malawi.
yeah mun na mumra na ne dia ene se na ya banana opai anopai yeso pa na opai sa yeso nyansa yeso mo koswo yeso mo agri fa hodie yese yese pa ne ko ni aha ya tato no banya tafo ma na ye nyansa se be ya ye be tuma hun so so ni aga won chira ya de se be ya ye be hu so yese ne oni no sia ohun ndi ma ye sia de yesu ya momanyu yesu ya momanyu ma bibia nkoso tote ya de mai wo ya brabom na fe de on pesi nyam koso no de on bone bra man yiyi o jan shena ko nyina asena nka ba ko nyina ayi ko no ma dawro ma ise on pesi wo nyam ko tram ko a wo so no che ite ma yin kan from ma yin che di ma yin che de amroso na bibia nkoso tote ya de mai ene kana ma yin ya di mai na o ma bia o pesa nka e ma di da de o jan shena ko nyina asena nka ba ko nyina ayi so no ma dawro ma mo shiga nyina
African people will remember the sin and the glory, suffering of our ancestors. We will honor the struggles of our elders. We will strive to bring new values and new life to our people. As Jesus has common among us, we'll be learning, sharing, and creating. We will work, study, and listen so we may learn so we may teach. We will cultivate self-reliance. We will struggle to resurrect. We will defy
Loudly.
devotion and courage. We'll live as models and provide new directions to our people. Friends of eternity and African people. We will win.
And we have one. We
We
will
will
win.
win. And we have one.
when you I say yes ma you know amade mo kasa bro to say musu to say so yon konsa kila ba hono to
Well, let's open up so we can get the other three.
enti ensayam nifa entrefam benkom entresoro nifa entrefam benkom entresoro there, Teresa.
Yes,
Abe, mon campion.
We are an African people who remember the humanity, the glory, and suffering of our ancestors. We will honor the struggles of our elders. We will strive to bring new values and new law to our people. We will have peace and harmony among us. We will be loving, sharing, and creative. We will work, study, and listen so we may learn. Learn so we may teach. We will cultivate self-reliance. We will struggle to resurrect and unify our homeland. We will have discipline, patience, devotion, and courage. We will live as models to provide new direction to our people. We will be free and self-determined. We are an African people. We will win and we have won. We will win and we have won. We will win and we have won. Ashe. Who are you? I'm the seed of my ancestors. I'm the hope of today. I'm the will for those unborn. I'm the Lord of African land. Use my personal skills and talents for the benefit of my community. To think of others first and to build the knowledge of African community. Where are you from? Mama, Africa is my home. Liberation is my song. You can't stand me wrong. I'm African to the bone. Birth is not the beginning, and death is not the end. I am because we are together we shall win. Special allegiance with the red, black, and green. Our flag, the symbol of our eternal struggle into the land we must obtain. One nation of black people with one God is all. Totally united in the struggle for black love, black freedom, and black self-determination. A is for Africa, where I am from. B is for build, step by step, one by one. C is for create, to make things better. D is for determination, to be more forever. E is for example, to lead what we believe. F is for focus, to pay attention to our needs. G is for growth, change and work of life. H is for history, what puts in our heads. I is for identity, I'm the people are we. J is for journey, I'm the fancy. K is for knowledge, to fill our minds. L is for love, our second heart. M is for memory, for young and old. N is for nature, one is for toil. O is for organize, to get it together. P is for power, to rule the land. Q is for question, to know how, what, where, why, when. R is for alliance, to be strong from beginning to end. S is for struggle, to fight enemies toe to toe. T is for teach, to pass on to our people whatever we know. U is for unity, to know both day and night. V is for values, to know the wrong from right. W is for work, which is our best hope. X is for the unknown, which we need grow. Y is for youth, the future are we. And Z is for zero, which is all we get free.
ana adenyara kwa omanim ye unjan 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 ana adenyara kwa Leo braccio de seo manabona obra Leo braccio de seo manabona obra Leo braccio de seo manabona obra Ne obraccio de seo manabona obra Asombre ne obupa Yonko yi epipenda Ahunfa mantete kwanu Manipa biara yi edi Eno no na de asombe Ninkoso kabre oman Omano Ayese na hose Omanfo braneche Omano Ayese na hose Omanfo braneche Look Ya Santiwa, Obaba, Sia, Cobra, Mane, Waya Bene, Asantima, Yakaro, Imamonico. Ya Santiwa, Obaba, Sia, Cobra, Mane, Waya Bene, Asantima, Yakaro, Imamonico. Imamonico.
I just saw him
Ya Santiwa, Ya Maomoni. Enko sia dia.
How do you say good job?
Why are dia? Why are dia? Why are dia?
Where are you?
What's not the book?
It's not your shoe anyway.
Nsa. Nsa. Nsa.
Nsa.
Nsa. Mayenka.
Nsa.
Nsa. Nsa.
Nsa.
Nea.
Nea.
Nea. Onim nsa.
Onem nsa.
Na oto.
N'ọtọ.
Nago.
N'ọtọ.
Babu. She. Nsa. Nea. Onim nsa. Na. Oto. Nago. Mu. Bumsayam. Bagu bra. Wie. Bagu she. Nsa. Bagu. Bagu. Afona. Shine. Ani. Aso. Betri. Betri. Koko. Ano. Tri. Trinwi. Oh, yeah, yeah. Good.
Is that your granny?
Good. Check.
Is that your granny coming? Is that your granny coming?
Good, yeah. Matthew.
Martin, ako ba?
Sally.
Turun dia. Bra. Ultra dia.
Hi, Grandma.
Wait.
Martin.
Maybe. Yeah, we move. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. Baku.
Should you write that too?
Hmm?
You write that too?
Mm-hmm. Muy bien. Actually, has everyone written this?
Yes. Not me. Honey. Uncle, back to the Debbie. Debbie. What am I writing it? Me either.
Ne oni mensana o tonago na sesirese. Ne oni mensana o tonago. Asenese. Odwen ho adwen se ntomago. O tonago.
It's one of the symbols. I guess there are thousands of them.
You have to type in the name of this symbol and it'll come up inside. Looks like you did a search just for it, then crowd something.
I have some other ones. When they show up, then I'll be.
Oh, you're not online?
I took it to, I was wondering why 15 of my CDs left me in a half a day. So she went and did something to my phone at MTN so that it's not constantly on.
Yeah. It sounds like you weren't subscribed to a bundle and you were on pay as you go, which is a hustle to take all of your money quick.
Well, I went and got it, paid a couple of hundred CDs when I first got here, and it lasted me like a month and a half. Then I just started buying the little cards. That's pay as you go?
It depends. If you subscribe to a bundle, then it says if I pay 50 Ghana CDs, then I have however many gigs, right? But if you're on pay as you go, that means for every single megabyte you use, it's taking your money away. So if you don't specify the bundle, it will just keep chopping your money, chopping your money, chopping
So I
your
need
money.
to specify the bundle.
Exactly.
Because I wanted to be able to use the phone, so I told her I didn't want her to allocate any just for data. So I should change that. I was like, what if I want to be able to do a phone call? And all of my stuff is bundled for data use only.
Yeah, you would have to specify for data, and then whatever you set your data to be, like I said, if it's 50 Ghana cities, then it will just go through that, and it won't automatically go to pay as you go.
Okay. I didn't think it was a good idea, but now that you say it, I guess it.
Yeah, that's the best way to go. Otherwise, all your money will vanish like that, and you won't know where it went.
So it is good to bundle.
Yep.
I can do it myself though. With
Yep.
my phone.
Okay.
I'll ask her.
We're not. We're not saying anything. I go.
Amen.
I go.
Amen.
I go. We're not saying anything. I see anything.
Yeah, name and sign. Now. Otro Nago.
I see anything.
Nia, Nim. Come on, somebody besides me has got to be saying it.
I see anything. I see anything.
Wait,
Nia, Nim, Sign. Now. Otro Nago.
Aku berapa? Mungkin. Masanifa. Nim is to know, not I know. That'll be minim. This is onim.
Oh.
Hmm?
I dropped my pencil.
Is it underneath there? You gonna crawl under there? Be careful. Let me crawl here to crawly One move, no. One move, no.
Ne oniminsa. Yenka ne oniminsa. Yenka ne oniminsa. Na otonago. Ne oniminsa. Na otonago.
No, nago.
Ne oniminsa. Na otonago.
No, nago.
Asechire sai.
No, nago.
Asechire sai.
Come on, guys.
One who knows came hair club.
Camel, you
He
can use
or she
glasses,
buys
baby.
sophomore.
Yeah. You use some glasses. You're not supposed to squint.
Ndi asechire sai. So what does it say?
One who she knows camel hair cloth. It is she buys it soft warm.
Ndi asechire sai. So what does this mean to you?
English translation is small, but actually
Okay, so it says one who, and then it says he or she knows. Should it be knows or no? Just no. One who.
It's not inflected for tense. So in English, you would change no to nose or whatever. If you're going to translate it into English, then you would make it how you want it to be in English. But in P, it's just like how we were saying black English.
Okay.
She know, he know, I know. It doesn't change.
We be knowing.
And the reason, right? So the reason why it doesn't change in black, so-called black English is because it doesn't change in African languages.
One who knows so one who knows her camel hair cloth will buy the best or the softest. Is that something kind of?
Soft/warm.
Soft or the worn one?
wow, big drawing for
I have a picture. I have this actual type of cloth at home.
So that's what that symbol means. The symbol is a whole sentence.
Each one is a whole sentence, so you have to be literate to read it.
And that I am not. But I'm
Ago,
Amen.
ago,
Amen.
ago.
Amen.
So one who knows camel hair cloth that's inside, now otonago, buys the worn ones. It means that if you know that the inside cloth is said to be the highest quality cloth or one of the highest quality cloths, so if you know that this is the real thing, then you will go ahead and buy even the ones that are worn out because you know it's still of high value. So when you see this inside, you know it has something to do with something of high value that is original, that is real, has all those ideas built into it. Actually, say, "Where mapa?" And yes, sapa. And to mama pa. Go baby, go. 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 So mapa is real, sapa is fake. So write that down. One who knows the sackcloth buys the warm ones. Will even the idea is that they will even buy the warm ones because they know this is the real one. And it comes from go, which is to be soft. So if I say into my go, that's the way you say an old rag. It means that over time it's become worn or soft, right? If I say well, some go, I'm saying the inside of your hand is soft. I say, what do you think that would mean? It's an idiom. And some go, the inside of this person's hand is soft. I say, what do you think that would mean? And it comes from the same go here.
That it's worn, or that they're an older person, or that they're a new person?
That's a good idea. I dream bang for on that. I dream for bang that. What
They don't know work?
Keep going.
What else? If somebody's got soft hands, someone in America, that means that he's got soft hands. That means that he hasn't done any hard labor. That's one translation. So you get blisters really easily.
You only go outside, non-swing, no monkey bars,
That person would be
not
very
a zip
useful.
line.
Then some go.
And we won't.
So I'm saying something to you. Muntie, so listen. So I say some go. If I say about a person, the inside of this person's hands are soft. I say what does that mean to you?
Their hands.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It is a description of their palm, but what does it mean?
What can you infer from that?
It's a baby? Okay, that's another idea. I'm a dream for I'm you know because I can not dream. Who else wants to give it a shot?
Exactly.
This is how you know that idioms are very culturally based, right? Now, if I say that this person, the inside of this person's hands are hard, and also I say to the same.
Either they're old because they've been using their hands a lot, or they work real hard and they got callous, hard hands.
Okay. They work hard and they have callous, hard hands.
Or they're skinny.
They're skinny, maybe.
And then the soft hand person might be a little thicker. Maybe a person of more leisure. It's a lot more.
Alright, I'm say, I think maybe she'll be able to help us. And she said, Obi Bisha said, and I said, Obi said, then some year ding. I said, then some year ding. Yeah, Casakwan. So they say, oh, yeah, Pepe, I'm 5 years old. I feel you're casting in some go. No, so what is it? Why idea?
Okay, so what
Did you hear it?
No, what is it?
But
mean
I
to
wow,
someone
kakra.
Like if you feel that anything that means that person doesn't like giving.
Oh, okay. And so if your hands are soft, you don't like it, or if they're hard?
If it is soft, nice giving. Like,
Okay.
But if it is hard,
Okay.
you don't like it.
Okay, that is cultural. Because I never would have thought
Never
of that.
thought. Because you're thinking from what the idiom means in English.
Right.
So in
Hard
English,
work.
if you say that the person has soft hands, it means that they're not doing hard work. In English, if you say have hard hands, it means that they are doing hard work that's making the but that's very literal. It's an idiom, but it's based on something literal. This is very abstract, very metaphorical. If I say this person's hands are hard, it means that, all right, I have money in my palm, try to get it.
Right, you can't get that out. Right.
Right.
That's all you're giving.
All right, now it's minsamugo. Minsamugo. It means that the inside of my hands are soft. I'm quick to give to everyone. It means generous.
Okay. Good. I didn't know.
Yep. But then also, also I want you to get into the habit of asking people who are around, right? Ah! Because there are tree speakers all over Ghana. I want to teach you more, baby. It's a I won't be on now. What you be sound? What's that here? I didn't trust. Kaja, you're not. My name, dear Hoo Jang. Wanka. And my name, dear Hoo Jang. And my name, dear Hoo Jang. And my name, dear Hoo Jang. Ana adinyara kwa. Ana adinyara kwa. Ana adinyara kwa. My name, dear Hoo Jang. Purple. Homa. Name dear. Hoo Jang. Hoo Jang. Anna. Adi. Nyara. Kwa.
So we got Adi and Nyara, even though the Nyara is not even, they're not together.
Nyara.
The Nyara is with the Adi. But the syllable goes with the Ada.
My name, dear Hoo Jang.
My name, dear Hoo Jang.
Anna Adi Nyara Kwa.
Ana Adi Nyara Kwa.
Ni obra chode. Nka. Ni obra chode.
Ni obra chode.
Ese oman.
Ese oman.
Nabo na hohra.
Nabo na hora.
Babu. Ni obra chode. De. Essay. Oman. Na. Ebo. No. Hofra. Humanim dear who jang. Humanim dear who jang. Ana a de nyara kwa. Ni obra chode ese oman. Nabo na hofra. Asombre.
Where we go?
Asombre. Ni obupa. That's it, obupa. Asombre ni obupa. Fine, Sanchi, has to be. Humanim, dear who jang.
Humanim, dear jang.
Huma. Nim dear. Enka, nim dear. Who jang. Ana. Adenyara. Kwa. Ne obra chow. De. Essay. Oman. Nabo na hofra. Asombre ni obupa. Asombre